In this video, we're diving into how ExpressVPN can be your best travel companion by helping you bypass censorship and Wi-Fi restrictions wherever you go. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you stay safe online. Now, traveling is exciting, but it also exposes you to unfamiliar networks, strict censorship laws, and geo-blocked content. One minute, you're sipping espresso at a cafe, the next, you're scrambling to stream your favorite show because the local network blocks it. Or maybe you're in a country where certain apps just simply don't load. Understanding how to use a reliable VPN like ExpressVPN on the road can solve these problems and protect your personal information. Why a travel-friendly VPN matters. When you connect to public Wi-Fi, you're sharing the same network with strangers. Cybercriminals often set up fake hotspots or run packet sniffers to intercept unencrypted traffic. Even legitimate networks log your browsing history. A VPN encrypts your data, rendering it unreadable to snoopers. But for travelers, the benefits extend even further. You can bypass censorship. So some countries block social media, messaging apps, or news sites. A VPN allows you to connect through a server in a country where those services are available. Access region-locked content. Stream your favorite shows or sports events no matter where you are by choosing a server in your home country. Secure online transactions. Booking flights, transferring funds, or checking your bank account on a hotel Wi-Fi is risky without encryption. Find better deals. Prices for flights, hotels, and car rentals sometimes vary by location. Connecting through different servers can reveal lower prices. So ExpressVPN's built a reputation for speed, reliability, and strong privacy practices, making it ideal for travelers. It operates thousands of servers in over 100 countries, uses the top-of-the-line encryption, runs all servers on RAM-only servers, meaning that no data is permanently stored, and has undergone third-party audits to verify its no-logs policy. Now, what you'll need to follow this guide. You'll need an active ExpressVPN subscription, which if you don't already have one, you can click the link down below in the description to get started. More on that in just a second. You also need the ExpressVPN app installed on your device, whatever device it is. Maybe it's your laptop, your phone. It supports Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, Linux, and even a router, and an internet connection. So you can set up ExpressVPN before you leave home or while traveling. So let's walk through the steps. Step 1, install and log in. First things first, click the link down below in the description if you don't already have an ExpressVPN account. Right now, they're running their Black Friday deal. So if you click the link, just click on that and click on ExpressVPN, which will bring you to checkout right here. You can get 2 years plus 4 months extra for $4.49 per month effectively. It'll be billed as $125.72, but that is the biggest savings that they're running right now, or the most popular deal that they're running right now. If you want to get the most savings, you should get their basic plan here. But yeah, they've got 3 plans. They used to just have 1 plan. Now you got 3. They got basic, advanced, and pro. And again, you can choose the 2-year option, so you can see the pricing here, or you can choose the 1-year option. You can see it goes up a little bit, and you go to the 1-month option, which we're starting to get into double-digit dollar territory, and that's wild. So just commit to a little bit longer and save yourself some money. Use the link down in the description to get the best pricing possible for ExpressVPN. Next, just download the app after you pick your plan. Log into your account dashboard and download the appropriate app for your appropriate device. You can also install the app from your device's app store. ExpressVPN supports Windows, Mac OS, Android, iOS, Linux, and some router firmware. Next, install. So just follow the installation prompts. It's super simple. On desktop, just drag the app to your applications folder if you're on Mac, or run the installer if you're on Windows. On mobile, just open the downloaded file or tap install from the App Store. Log in. Launch the app and enter your activation code or log in with your credentials. The activation code is typically found in your account dashboard or in an email when you signed up. Step 2, understand the interface. ExpressVPN's interface is designed to be super simple. When you open the app, you'll see a big power button and a location picker. Power button. Tap or click this to connect to the default recommended server, usually the fastest one available. Current location. This shows the server you're connected to. Tap it to choose another location. Options or settings. Usually represented by the 3 lines with the gear icon. Here you can change protocols, enable features like the kill switch, or set up split tunneling. The app also includes a smart location recommendation based on your current physical location and network conditions. This helps you get a fast and stable connection with a single click. Step 3, choose the right server when speed matters. Now, if you just want to browse safely or stream without buffering, then choose a server near your current location. The closer the server, the faster the connection tends to be. When accessing home content. If you're abroad and you want to watch content from your home country, then connect to a server in that country. For example, to watch American streaming services from Europe, just choose any US server. When bypassing censorship. Now, when you're in a country that blocks certain websites or apps, you want to connect to a server in a country where those services are accessible. ExpressVPN's network includes servers that work reliably in restrictive regions. Tips for server selection. Save frequently used locations to your favorites list for quick access. If a server seems slow or blocked, then try another city in the same country. Use the recommended tab if you're unsure. ExpressVPN prioritizes servers based on speed and reliability. Step 4, enable essential security features. Network lock or kill switch. A kill switch prevents data from leaving your device if the VPN connection drops unexpectedly. It's available on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android. Enable it. Go to the settings or preferences menu and turn on network lock or kill switch. Why it matters. If you're on public Wi-Fi and the VPN disconnects, your real IP address could leak. The kill switch blocks all traffic until the VPN reconnects. Auto connect. When you join a new network, the app can automatically connect to a VPN server. Find the option. In settings, enable connect on startup or auto connect on untrusted networks. Use cases. So this is particularly useful for travelers who hop between different Wi-Fi networks. You won't have to remember to turn on your VPN each time. Protocol selection. ExpressVPN offers several protocols, including Lightway, OpenVPN, and IPv2. So protocols determine how your data is encrypted and transmitted. Lightway. ExpressVPN's own protocol optimized for speed and reliability, especially on unstable networks. Great for travel. OpenVPN. Highly secure and widely supported. Use UDP for speed or TCP if you have connection issues. IPv2. This reconnects quickly when switching between Wi-Fi and cellular. It's ideal for mobile devices. You can set the protocol to automatic, which lets the app choose the best option, or manually select one based on your needs. Threat Manager. So Threat Manager is ExpressVPN's tool for blocking trackers and malicious websites. It's available on iOS, Mac OS, and Linux, and is rolling out on more platforms as well. Enable it. In the settings under Privacy and Security, toggle on Threat Manager. Benefits. It stops apps and websites from communicating with known trackers, giving you extra privacy and security. Step 5, use ExpressVPN while traveling. Secure public Wi-Fi. Whenever you connect to hotel, airport, or cafe Wi-Fi, turn on ExpressVPN before you do anything else. This encrypts your traffic and protects sensitive activities like online banking, booking flights, or sharing documents. Practical tip. Enable auto connect so you don't forget to secure your connection. Bypass local restrictions. In some countries, social media platforms, messaging apps, or news sites are blocked. To regain access, disconnect from your current server if you're already connected. Choose a server in a country where the site is accessible. Reconnect and refresh the site or app. You should now have access. If a site is still blocked, try another nearby country. Stream your home content. Don't miss your favorite shows while abroad. Connect to a server in your home country before launching your streaming app. Remember, it can take a few moments for the service to recognize the new IP address. Troubleshooting tip. If the streaming service detects the VPN, disconnect and reconnect to a different server in the same country. ExpressVPN frequently updates its servers to maintain access to popular platforms. Shop for deals. Prices for flights and accommodations sometimes vary based on location. By connecting to servers in different regions and refreshing the booking page, you might find a better price. Ethical note. Not all price differences are significant, but it's an interesting way to see regional variations. Always comply with the terms of the booking site. Step 6. 6. Manage multiple devices. Depending on which ExpressVPN subscription you went with, you can maintain several different devices under the same subscription. So here's how to make the most of it. Number 1 is to install it on your router. Now this isn't about traveling, but if you install ExpressVPN on a compatible router, every device connected to that router is protected, even devices that can't run VPN software, such as smart TVs or game consoles. Share with the family. You can protect your partners and children's devices under the same subscription. They can choose different locations if needed. Switch devices. If you hit a connection limit, then disconnect a device that you're not using before connecting on another. So ExpressVPN is a versatile tool for travelers, offering fast connections, a wide selection of servers, and features tailored for security and privacy. So by understanding how to install it, choose servers, enable protective settings like the kill switch and auto connect, and use it for specific travel scenarios, you can keep your data safe and enjoy unrestricted internet access wherever you roam. So if you want to get started with ExpressVPN, just click the link down below in the description to get started. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we cover everything from VPNs and cybersecurity to how to stay safe online and detailed product comparisons, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you here in the next video.